Greetings to all our viewers. This is Buhle Betfu and my name is Nelly Somakanya. You know that this is the best show that showcases all the beauty and all the wonderful destinations that you can travel to as a Swazi in the kingdom of Eswatini. Or rather, you are watching us in other countries. You want to see what are the beautiful places that you can visit when you're in Eswatini. This is the best show that brings you just that. Today we are in the Shiselweni region, Hlangano to be exact. We are at Phumula guest house. We want to find out what is it that they have to offer to you so that you don't enjoy. I can't wait because this is exclusive. Let's go. Ayunjani sisi?
Ngiyaphila bhuti njani sana leso?
Ngiyaphila nami bengicela ukuthi introduce igama lakho neposition yakho la ekhaya.
Okay, ngingivukile Dlamini ngisupervisor la ePhumula guest house.
All right. Phumula guest house. Mhlambe lo munye umuntu akade nexe Phumula guest house inzawule kanjani le kuphi? What kind of a place lo nayo la?
Okay, kwekucala Phumula guest house useshiselweni enhlangano on the way to Mahamba. Ufika eHolneck. You take the left turn and then you drive straight ufuke ePhumula guest house. Awuhluke indzawo nje.
All right.
Yes.
So Phumula indzawo le kanjani nje mhlambe umuntu longayazi na ungayichaza nje kafishane.
Okay, Phumula ngathi indzawo lepholile since we are out in a farm away from town. Indzawo le ku nature, tinyoni, tihlahla, sounds from our fountains. Yeah, thinking indzawo lepholile vele. Lofuna kuphumula nje ngethatha ukuphumula kuphumula.
All right, that's interesting. So mhlambe labafuna kuphumula mhlambe baze bakhona ukuthi balale khona kuyayihambe kanjani ku accommodation yalakhaya ihlukana kanjani inkulu kanganani?
Okay, we have 48 rooms in total, which are categorized into 5. Okay. We have single rooms, we have standard rooms, luxury rooms, superior rooms, and then executive rooms. Yes, the single rooms, it's for single people. If you are coming alone, you can use the single room. But then the standard ones, we are at Tulu. It's for 2 people or even 3 because the room is spacious, the beds are too big, so 3 can even be accommodated. We have Nema family rooms, whereby maybe you can come with your kids or your family. You share a lounge, Nelkishi, which is also a self-catering. So it's different bedrooms. Yeah. And then we have the newly built executive rooms. Makhulu nawo.
Okay.
Yes, they are fit for a king. Yes. Okay. In my room in Betfu, we have free Wi-Fi.
Okay.
Yes, we have electric blankets,
nice.
Smart TVs. What else? Fridges. Yes, some anima carpets, some have got tiles. It depends because some kanza tutune sinus I think carpet, so we now the option lay. Yes, even for laba disabled this now ema pavements la to kona kamba kona anga hambi la glama steps, so it's easier for them as well.
Wow. All right, that's exciting. So now ke nasafikile umuntu wakhona la khaya ingabe uyanakekeleke kanganani noma ke kanjani when it comes to the food side of things. A restaurant yethu isibambisa kanjani na uzwakashi la khaya?
Okay, now ufika nje ufikela a reception.
Okay.
Usually uyayenda i-booking prior for kudla because sitele open restaurant we cook on request. So but nakwendeke wafika ukhanze ukuthi nje soyafika nje nyalo sengilambile sengedlulele ephumula siyakhona ku accommodate. We have light meals because usually siserve a buffet of which nase uvele waphopha phangawani it's difficult kuyenda and now todla late, so siyakhona kwendele light meals. Otherwise si specialize kakhulu kuma buffets, breakfast, lunch ne dinner. Yes.
No, right. So kulama buffet like buffet breakfast, lunch, dinner. Kuya kube for laba ngekhathi noma kunebandle sebadayile kuze they can just walk into Phumula bakhazi breakfast bangene bahlale kuyahambe kanjani?
Okay, you can walk in but le buffet sekungadetermine to ufike ngabani isikhathi.
Okay.
If early ukuthi we still have enough time ukuthi sikuprepare and now you are willing to stay for that certain time lesisibekile. Site inkinga siyakhona kwenda lokho, but then labanye ukhanza ukuthi ba reserve prior, so nabafika ngalo 1 nangabe bathenga 1 bakhanza kudla kwabo ku ready bayahlala. And siye sikuthandzele ukuthi u reserve prior nawe utova ngathi umukelekile, everything is prepared for you, singabi nema delays uyabona. Otherwise noma ufikile siyakhona ku accommodate.
Igama lami ngishila ngokamotha, ngingchef lakhaya. Namuhla lana sine conference, like the whole of this weekend just in my conference. So today we are having a conference. What we've prepared is the menu. Let's see if I'm going to end up for a conference. We usually have 2 starches, 2 veggies, 3 meats, 2 salads, and some desserts, the net drink. So la namuhla I've prepared creamy sam, rice, mixed vegetables. Send mixed vegetables. So if it's mixed vegetables, send a one. Say beef stew. Bese se kuba buttered fish plus bese se kuba grilled chicken. There's 2 starches, veggies, and the 3 meats. Bese se ang salads. Or we usually have a mixed salad every time, which we have here. Then another salad delay by ocean. Namuhla send a coleslaw. Our desserts that we have today, we are having a jelly ring. We call this a jelly ring. Then this is like vanilla cake.
Mbukelo Buhle Betfu sisephumlile khona ePhumula guest house. Ngiyabona eceleni kwami kunelidada ke lendanda la swimming pool. Ngisacabanga ukuthi ngabe ngaphumula kanjani tukwana. Let's take a short break because when we come back there's still more for you. Ma events lenya nikhona kwa hostel lakhaya kuyaye kube ma events la kanjani nje ngekwehlukahlukana kwawo?
Okay, mainly kuba ngema conferences.
Okay.
Yes, we have a big conference hall divided into 2. Kudetermine igroup yen ukuthi inkhulu kanganani. If inkhulu kakhulu siyalivula libe linye, but nangabe inombolo encane siyakhona ukuhlukanisa emkhathini, of which we serve all the meals from morning tea, lunch, afternoon tea, dinner. If you are sleeping over, it depends. Yes, ngilawo nje ama activities bese sekuba ngumshado siyahosta nemshado khona le holen.
Okay.
Yes, leli hola lethu emshadweni liyam accommodate 150 people. Yes, and then we also do boma engagements party because we have a garden lena labanye khona bafuna nje ke officiator le garden yethu ba bese bayachubeka ke ba maybe abasasebenzise lehola lethu but nje siyakuvumela nalokho. Yes.
All right, that's really Nice. Okay, so now niyakwenda yini lokho ukuthi mhlambe kube nale mhlambe lawo ma special events la mhlambe endeke ukhanze ukuthi nje ma special events site lamenyetelwa ukuthi mhlambe abantu bangeta bethe kuba khona activity kanjalo nalama nje ma activities le mhlambe bangawenda basefikile khona in your establishment.
Okay, we do have less space. Sekungadetermine ukuthi wena le event yakho ifunani because isikhathi lesiningi siyasiwa avoid nangalaba too noisy since we have a guest late Phumula, so sisuke siva ngathi maybe now sekato inconvenience seka, so kuyadetermine vele, but you can always call uve ukuthi le yakho lo icabangako sithini siyakhona yini ngoku-accommodate kiyo.
All right.
Yes.
So what are people saying about the place? Mhlambe ma reviews abo nabadile ePhumula and people like kanjani?
Okay, mostly vele sithola positive reviews. They bayayithanda le ndzawo. I think that's what they are saying. Okay, most of them baba nalokuthi indzawo nje lephumile edolobheni nale privacy yinengi uyabona. So bay recommend. Yes.
All right. Now nabenda lama bookings bawende kanjani mhlambe ma contact details enu nema social media handles enu ngayikha athini one.
Okay, putting ngiyabonga. Bayawenda e-reception. We have email address phumula@swazi.net. Noma ungashaya kulandline yethu ithi 22079099 noma ushaye ku cell phone or else WhatsApp ku same number 78306775. And then na Facebook siyatholakala na ka Instagram siyatholakala it's Phumula Guest House.
Okay.
Yes, but
so ngale ka Facebook khona nakhona bayakhona kwenda ma reservations or it's just for kubona or
it's just for kubona ngoba lenyota ukhanza athi siyibona late kani yeah maybe na sofuna kuta maybe sesicwele sofika la uba like ngibhalile ka Facebook.
All right.
Yeah, so
Nine kuyevakala. Now what can you say mhlambe kubabukeli babuhle bethu just to encourage them to be coming here ePhumula Guest House?
Okay, lengakusho ukuthi ke basat lamahle ePhumula indzawo longeta kiyo utophumula. Our rates are affordable. Tindlu tetfu tinhle. That's what Emma guest etfu la shoko, and that's we try by all means ukuthi sikhiphe the standard lesifiswe ma guest etfu. So konke lokushiwo ma guest siyazama ukulungisa noma improve, it depends, but nje iPhumula it's a place to be. Now senshiselwe.
Le gama lami ngiphindile wakasho ngi-assistant manager. Awane is a resort that basically caters for people that are doing a horse riding. But then it ventured to accommodation, restaurant and other activities. Tindlu tethu la ngekhatsi takhiwe okay, I would basically say the main made because emabhavu akhona akhiwe ngasemende nemasink akhona. Lokwehlukile ke ngato na uzivakashele khona nakushisa tindlu tethu ngekhatsi ti-cool nakubanza ti-warm since tifulelwe ngetshani. It basically started as beehives, but then they ventured into those modern sort of Swazi houses, although they no longer beehive huts. Our restaurant offers a la carte menu whereby one picks whatever she wants to eat. Then if the group is like more than 20 people, we do buffets at 285 per person. Lokunye lokhona eHawaii ukuthi nawutovakasha khona ungeta even if ungakabook khona utokudla lunch and have drinks nebangani bakho uphinze ujike. Normally we do birthdays which is outdoor. We also do garden weddings now, which are as well outdoor, whereby you bring your own decor and stuff, and we provide meals, but then we don't charge for venues. All customers need to do is to pay for accommodation, for the meals and drinks, then the decor and that you do yourselves. Should it be the birthday party or a baby shower as well as the wedding. Okay, lokunye lokungakwenda ucabange ukuvakashela eHawaii kune horse riding. Leba ngo-240 per personal hour.
Njani sisi?
Ngiyaphila bhuti njani?
Ngiyaphila nami. Ayakwati igama.
Nginelile ngokaNdlovu mina.
Okay, mina bangibita ngeStar kaDlamini.
Oh, hi Star.
Yebo sisi. So silwane lesi-understandako.
Okay.
Sakwana ukusenza kona like unefear so ufuna ukukhuleka.
Mina nje lokungisaba siyakusenza.
Liyakusenza nje. Yabo, because kuyakhona lokho ukutesta nje kwento into lencane. Once wakhomba weakness ku advantage.
Oh, okay.
Yes, so like ifane tinja nje. Yabo.
Okay.
Yes, so when I feel free, breathe out. Yabo. Yes, we should enjoy and go ride.
If you learn to be loving by your own nature, not because of somebody else or something else. If you just become love, not love somebody, then you will know the nature of love. Then you will know the nature of love.
iHawaii also offers a-boat cruise, although umkhumbi wethu ungekho la Hawaii ukumaguga Dam, where you can do an hour cruise as well as an overnight stay. Yona ke is catering. In terms of giving out back to the community, almost 3/4 of the staff that works at Hawaii is part of the community. For future plans, Hawane is planning to grow a little bit bigger, maybe build up more houses and a bigger restaurant to accommodate at least more people than the one that we have, because it only accommodates few people. Our directions to Hawane, when you're coming from Babane, you take the off-ramp to Pixpeak and you drive a little bit just before you reach Hawane Dam. There's an off-ramp on your left-hand side. Then you take the dirty road about 1 kilometer and then you'll be at Hawane. Hawane does have Facebook. We also have contact details, and in terms of cell phone, which is 7627-6714, which also does WhatsApp. We also have email address, which is hawane1@realnet.co.sz.
Mbukelo Buhle Betfu, ngiyethemba ukuthokodele konke lebesigilethele kona ehlelweni lanamuhla la Buhle Betfu. Sitawuchubeka silivakashele live la kaNgwane, kuMbambane, kuManzini, Lubombo, Shiselweni, Hoho, yonke indzawo sitawufika, just to bring you the exclusivity that you can find in the Kingdom of Eswatini. Continue following us on our YouTube channel and also follow our pages on Facebook. I also have my personal page, Nelly Swat WM Makanya with a blue tick. Until next week, same time, same place. Goodbye.